The Indian Air Force is on the verge of the maiden flight for its upgraded Tejas MK1A aircraft, featuring enhancements like a new mission computer, smart displays, AESA radar, and advanced electronic warfare suite. With final assembly checks underway, the inaugural flight is expected in March, followed by low and high-speed trials. The IAF plans to deploy the first MK1A squadron by May, marking a crucial step in India's quest for self-reliance in fighter aircraft technology and boosting air power capabilities. The Indian Army introduces powerful cargo drones, lifting 20 to 100 kilograms payloads for efficient supply delivery in challenging terrains. Plans for vertical takeoff and landing cargo UAVs with 300 to 500 kilograms capacity are underway, providing strategic advantages in reaching remote areas. The drones also hold potential for disaster relief and search and rescue missions, showcasing versatile applications. Adani-Elbit, in a joint venture, delivers 20 Hermes 900 drones to Israel, marking India's prowess in defense manufacturing. This Hyderabad-based venture becomes the first entity outside Israel to produce these advanced UAVs. Indian Army and Navy secure initial orders, emphasizing potential for larger domestic procurements. The versatile Hermes 900, with a 36-hour endurance and 420 kilograms payload, positions India as a major player in the global drone market, requiring a strategic balance between exports and domestic needs.